in this video, guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process that enables you to create a talking avatar right here. With this tool, I'm going to show you right here in this video. So guys, simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. So right here, guys, the first AI tool we want to make use of is this AI tool called Inonado.ai. You want to simply create an account for free, and it's going to take us right onto this page. So once we right here, go onto image generation, and right here, guys, we have the AI image generation tool. So guys, all you want to do is to simply scroll down and tap onto advanced control and simply select your aspect ratio to be 9:16 right here. And once you're done with that, simply paste in a prompt. So I'm going to make use of this prompt right here, and you want to simply just go on to generate, and this is just going to generate two images right here for me. So guys, this is it right here. So once you're done, simply download the one you like. So I'm just going to download this particular image right here. So once you're done with that, the next step right here, guys, is to go onto the image uncrop right here. So you want to simply uncrop your image right here. So you want to simply go onto uncrop AI, and it's going to take us right onto this page. So once you're right here, guys, simply just click and drop that particular image right here that you want to uncrop. So this is it right here, and it's just going to upload right into the device. So right here, guys, go into your presets. This is 9:16. So you want to simply just do this a bit. Just adjust your video like this right here. And right here, guys, you want to make sure that this is up a bit. So once you're done with all of this, you want to simply go on to this to generate, and this is just going to generate your image within a few minutes. So simply click on to download image right there. You can simply just tap on the particular image you want right there, and once you're done, simply just save that particular image onto your device. So I'm just going to save this right here, and this is done. So once you're done with this, the next thing, guys, is to create your talking head. So guys, you want to go onto this AI tool called the app.talkingheads.com, and you want to simply follow the step I'm going to show you. So step 1 is simply upload an avatar. So you want to simply upload that particular image right here that you have been able to crop using the uncrop AI. Simply go on to upload your own photo. So I'm just going to drag and drop that particular image right here. So once you're done uploading it, simply scroll down and go on to the next step right here. So the next step right here is to simply upload a video, or you simply put in an audio right there. You can make use of any audio, or simply upload your own audio, or simply just add in a text. So right here, guys, I'm just going to paste in a text right here. So once you're done uploading your text, the next thing, guys, you want to do is to simply just select your voice and go on to the next step. And right here, you simply choose default as your crop character. So let's simply make use of the default avatar right there. And once you're done, go on to generate talking head, and it's just going to generate your talking head within a few seconds. So right here, guys, as you can see, our video is ready, but right here, our video quality is low right there. So we want to simply enhance our video quality. So guys, simply just download this right into your device, and the tool we're going to make use of to enhance this particular video quality is this tool called the vmake AI. So you want to simply go into vmake.ai video enhancer. So this is one of the best video enhancer that helps you convert low quality videos to high resolution. So right here, just simply click and drop that particular video right there, and it's just going to upload. And right here, guys, it's just going to enhance this low quality into an high quality right here within a few seconds. Our video is done. As you can see, there's a difference between these two videos right here. You simply just go on to download full HD quality, and this will be done in a few seconds. And guys, if you notice right here, this tool is driving a watermark. So if you want to simply remove the watermark, you want to simply go onto any video editing tool, and we're going to make use of CapCut. Select your aspect ratio and simply just click to upload that particular video. So as you can see, I've been able to upload this. Now right here, guys, in order for you to be able to remove the watermark, simply tap on the video and go onto the crop section right here, and it's going to take us right onto this page. So you can easily just crop out the watermark right there, go on to apply, and right here, guys, our video do not have a watermark. Go onto the export button and export this right into your device. So this is how you're able to create an AI talking avatar by using these tools that I have showed you right here in this video.